Hey, what's going on, guys? I've got a stack of Magic cards right here and our new Jimmy rigged / 3D printed parted Ricoh FI scanner series. I'm going to quickly scan these into the top here. So I'm just doing this with one hand, so it's a little bit tricky. So you get your cards loaded into the top tray up over there. You come on over to the computer, you hit the button, create a new batch. So what it's going to do now is it's going to scan every single card. You can see how quick that's going. It's scanning every single card and getting the images all put into a batch. And then what we do when this is done is we get all of those images of the batch, put them into an AI scanning software, and then it's basically going to take a look at every single image, match it to a card off of TCGplayer, give it to us in an Excel sheet, and we upload it right into the website. So I just put it a little bit more in there, go over here, add to the batch, and there it goes again. Now it's adding more and more images to the batch here as we keep going. Look at that, lightning fast. It's just crazy. And I just want to show you that it also works with Pokemon cards. You can see it's taking all the scanned images of this batch of Pokemon cards too. So it works with pretty much any TCG. Just going to move that over. This is our software where we dump everything into. You can pick and choose all the rule settings, and it's going to AI scan it, send us over an Excel sheet. This is all getting added into our catalog of singles. So you can see all these boxes here just completely done up with Magic cards, Pokemon cards. Got them all here. There's more down there, whole bunch of rows over here, and then even more in the back, more bulk that needs to get sorted through over there, and even more cards over here. That's it.